Hey guys, here's another robot puzzle. Hopefully you've done it and now you're just here to check your answers. So, like always, we're going to start with the top because usually that is where the double picture is. So we've got violin plus violin equals 24. So I know that the two violins are the same number and they add together to be 24. So I'm thinking what plus what is 24? Well, I know that 12 plus 12 is 24. So I know that these violins must be worth 12. So I'm going to label all my violins as 12. And then down here I have a double violin, which means that there are two 12s. 12 plus 12. All right. Nope, there's one more on the second line too. Don't miss them. So, moving on to the second line, we have violin minus the music notes equals 9. So I'm thinking 12 minus what is 9? Well, let's think. 12, 11, 10, 9. That's 3. So my music notes have to be worth 3. So I'll put a 3 on there, and then I have music notes down here. All right. So this third line is a little bit trickier because if you look closely, there are two music notes, or music notes slash microphone. There's two microphones, and so we have to have something plus something. So let's say we'll put a x here. X plus x times 3 equals 12. So this is a little bit tricky. We are going to be doing a little bit more advanced math right now. So let's break this down into a couple parts. I know something times 3 has to equal 12. So let's say I have something times 3 equals 12. That's not a 12. Let's try again. 12. What times 3 is 12? Well, the only thing times 3 that's 12 is 4. So the question mark has to be worth 4. So our two x's up here, they have to be worth 4. And I know that they're the same thing. So I'm thinking to myself, what plus what equals 4? What plus what equals 4? Well, the only thing plus itself that's 4 is 2. So these x's have to be worth 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. So my microphone is worth 2. That leaves us with our last piece. The microphone is worth 2, like we just talked about. So 12 plus 12 times 2. So let's do some work with that. Let's erase this stuff down here. We know that 12 plus 12 gave us 24 because we did that in the top line. And we're going to do 24 times 2. All right, so let's set that up and solve. 24 times 2. I'm going to do 2 times 4, which gives me 8, and 2 times 2, which gives me 4. So 24 times 2 is 48. So the question mark has to be worth 48. Ooh, that was a tricky one. Hopefully you got it. Otherwise, check your work and see where you got confused.